Hello everyone, this is Belle from WOXO once again, wishing you a very good day. And today we're gonna use amazing reviews to create a video, so you may have all this product information with tons of reviews from different customers. How can you create videos from it? Let me show you. So ready? Let's go! I'm gonna start selecting one of these templates, so let's go with the to reviews one and continue to a new project. Once I have this template and I have my main idea, what I did was transfer it to a Google Sheet, so I have the structure in here. Let's go look for some information from the Amazon reviews page. Here I have opened one of these products, so we're gonna use a bunch of these images and the reviews. That's the crucial part. Here we go. We're gonna be using like titles, the names, how much they score, and basically some part of this review. As always, we're gonna need our little friend Webscraper. Here we go, here's our friend. It's an easy plugin. You can just add to Chrome and it will help us to scrape all the data we need from our website. To scrap the page, we're just gonna need to click anywhere on the page and click on Inspect. And we're gonna go to Webscraper. We're gonna create a new sitemap and import sitemap. I just have it in here. It's a little trick. Let me just copy it. And then we go here, so paste, import the sitemap. So here we go, we have Amazon reviews and we're gonna click on it and we're gonna edit metadata. So here I added just a few more sites that I'm gonna show you later. We are ready to scrape. This is the fun part. So we're gonna just click on this one and scrape. And let's refresh. Woohoo! So here's all the text. So we need to spice this up for the summer, so I just added a few emojis. We're gonna copy the information from the table to our Google Sheet and we're just gonna paste it. So for media 1, image of the product, so that's gonna be on raw data G2. As for the title, we can find the title of the product, raw data G2. So we have a lot of product names. Just to select it and copy the format on the other rows. There we go, we have all the information. The rest of the table, let me just fill it and then we'll get back to you. So I have it for all the information and I just added a nice ending, just like see you online and the name of your store. Now it's time to copy this, go to the video maker and use the cooling integration here for Google Sheets. And just paste the URL. So paste, pull, let me move the image from here and just import videos. Ta-da! There we go, we have our videos here. Now all that's left to do is export them and see how good they look. Let's go to export. Look at that, isn't he a beauty? Let's download it and see how it looks in real life. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And as always, we'd love to hear your ideas, what we should do next, and everything on the comments below. Have a lovely day. Bye! Copy this table to the Google Sheet and let's build these magical videos. Eso era todo.